Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Revit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to buy skins, sounds and kites to the TF2. I will show you excellent rating, Trustpilot. I will show you website Skinport. You have link in the description to this website, and as you can see here you have many. Oh my goodness. As you can see here have in your currency, but I am from Poland and it show me PLN. So you have also here everything what you need. You here have melee weapons, primary weapon, Australium, toolbox, package, gift, decorative. Okay, here you may set class, quality, and from and down. And minimum to buy is a few USD. Later you click on view card, click I have read, and proceed and checkout, and pay for the order. You will get immediately items to your Steam, so it is very good. That's why I will recommend you this website. You will get here so fast. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. As you can see here I may many. Okay, bye bye. You have link in the description. See you next time. Bye.